flowers?
Well,
I think that it's already packed in here.
I mean, it doesn't mean like another
Okay, well, show me.
or children. Or,
Go ahead, dive in there.
I don't think so, baby.
Oh boy, lots of clothes.
well, I do have one. The next terrace.
A little Irish theme. Let's look at it. Okay. Okay, well, who gets us that present? Mom's lucky charm.
because of Maxwell, they picked that.
Oh, little hoodie.
How
Cute.
cute is that?
I have another outfit that goes with that too, Sarah. Okay. Lindy got it for me. Mommy's new man. Mommy loves me. I have a girl attached. And then just like Daddy.
And then pants.
And pants that look like the Cowboys. Which is good. Mommy will allow that. She cheers for the Browns. They don't win anything. Mommy's best. And then a little onesie to go with the sweatshirt and some little pants. Thank you very much.
That onesie looks like a brand newborn one.
I know. We'll have to put that in there right away. A little chunker might not fit in there much longer. Thank you very much. Did you pick these out? You did a great job.
Actually, the little one.
Oh, wow. You approved it. Okay, what's next? This one? Oh, that's from Sarah and Aubrey. This one's from Allison. That one. There's a belly painting kit. We're not doing the pumpkin either. See the pumpkin back here? This is so Allison's gonna paint my belly into some. I think we decided on a raccoon because I'm not big on the things that make it look too much bigger. So, but they do have watermelons, pumpkins. This girl's sporting a sunflower down here.
Allison, what is this? The paint?
I don't understand.
Belly painting.
Pass it around, honey.
Yeah, you can show
Pass
me.
it around.
What is it?
Pass it around that way.
Never heard of it.
So you can, since my belly's sticking out there, you can paint it. Some people do like the cast mold. But I told her I didn't want the cast mold. I'm like, what am I going to do with this thing?
Now, is this when you deliver? Will it be painted?
Well, that's what she was saying. You should wait until I deliver and then go down there.
Everybody will be raving at the hospital.
That is adorable. Okay.
Oh, are we happy?
Oh, yeah.
After every present, in the present, or after every present? Oh my goodness. We got lots of
Well, if there's a whole bunch, you can wait till the end.
No, thank you.
Thank you for
And a
clearing
gift
that up.
card
'Cause we
for
weren't
a
sure.
book.
Yay.
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
I
And if you were up at the table, Allison has a raccoon, so we have a raccoon.